Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, mamaya sa Grid Channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices na spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel on the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Angel spirit, please give me information po ano kayong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. Okay, this is a moon card, no? For a revelations reveal. May mga bagay na ma-reveal na sa'yo. May mga bagay na malalaman mo na, no? Unti-unti mo na nga matutuklasan. There's a something and intuitions here with the Knight of Cups. So there's an offer, proposal, engagement. No, apology. Okay. This is the Two of Wands by choices. No, may mga bagay na pipiliin mo dito. No? Anong pipiliin mo? Manahimik o pipiliin mong maging masaya? Ano to? Let's see. And because there's an information with an Eight of Pentacles na focus sa negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay mo. And because this is the Seven of Cups, so something confusion, na may mga bagay na parang naguguluhan ka pa sa ngayon. May mga bagay na parang hindi mo pa alam yung gagawin mo. No? And because this is King of Cups, for devoted, supportive person. May taong sumusuporta at gumagabay sa'yo dito. And because there's the Lovers for the Moon card, for something, a truth reveal, and of course, illusions, no? Na malalaman mo lahat ng mga bagay na pupasok sa isipan mo ay maaaring ay totoo, no? Kumbaga, it's a gut feeling or something, a vision, no? Into reality, may mga bagay dyan na parang unti-unti mo nang masisilayan yung mga pangyayari magaganap sa iyong pamilya. Maaring nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo nakikita ang mga posibleng mangyayari. The Knight of Cups represents something, a Page of Swords, so something of curiosity. No? May mga bagay or offer to, no? Parang unti-unti mong gustong matutunan, no? Unti-unti mong gustong malaman lahat ng kaganapan. The Two of Wands represent the King of Swords, no? There's a stop the pattern, something being wise, no? Kailangan maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon, maging matalino ka sa gagawan mo ng action, no? Pumili ka ng mga bagay na alam mong tama at wasto. The Eight of Pentacles represent the Two of Swords with an indecision. No? Pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay mo, nahihirapan ka kung anong pipiliin mo, no? Kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. The Seven of Cups represent the Four of Wands with celebrations, homecoming, family gatherings, and something twin flame energy with a person na maaring, kumbaga, maraming opportunity pumasok sa iyo dito with a lot of celebration or either confusion rather na pagdating sa mga celebration na to. Let's see what is the King of Cups. Di mo alam kung ano yung umpisahan mong isa-survey, parang ganon. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles, a Six of Swords with the transition. No, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng back and forth dito without trouble, no? Pagdating sa person mo. Maaaring nagkaroon ka ng separations. No, malalaman mo na kung bakit kayo naghiwalay or some of you kumbaga magkakaroon na ng solusyon, no? Or kumbaga itong tao na to nagkakaroon ng back and forth kung pupuntahan ka ba o hindi. No? Nagkakaroon siya ng indecision dito. Okay, let's see what is the Moon card in the Lovers. See, there's a Three of Swords, recovery from the pain. Or makaka-recover na siya pagdating sa gayuma. Maaring ginagamot mo na. Or maaring nag-proceed ka for a healing session. It's a good part. The Knight of Cups and of course the Page of Swords represent the King of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka sa kung naman ang meron ka. No, unti-unti mo nang tinutuklas, unti-unti mo nang nalalaman lahat ng mga kaganapan. The Two of Wands and of course the King of Swords represent what? The Two of Wands, because the King of Swords represent the Seven of Pentacles for the harvest time. So see, consequences. So may mga bagay dito kailangan mo maging wise at least, maging matalino sa pagdidesisyon at sa pagpili ng mga bagay-bagay. Lahat mga bagay-bagay na pipiliin mo or gagawin mo ay may kaakibat na consequences. So ibig sabihin dito, kung tama ang decision mo, magiging tama ang resulta. Kung mali ang decision mo, mali din na magiging resulta nito. No, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng something a complication or something a rebuilding or magiging maganda ang takbo ng eksena. Depende yan sa magiging sitwasyon. And because let's see what is additional messages with the Eight of Pentacles and because the Two of Swords. Let's see what is the Eight of Pentacles and of course the Two of Swords. Represent the Seven of Swords. Oh, something sneakiness, sinungaling. No, some of you guys, no, kaya hindi ka mapapagdesisyon dahil alam mo sa sarili mong hindi totoo ang sinasabi sa'yo. Na pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, or pagdating sa trabaho naman, maaring nagsisinungaling sa'yo ang katrabaho mo, maaring plastic siya sa'yo. No, nilalagay ka sa hindi maganda sitwasyon para nilalaglag ka. Or parang kumagay nilalagay ka para mapahamak ka. Or hindi, pagdating sa dito sa negosyo mo, no, maaring kumbaga itong tao na to ay hindi totoo, no, na maaring mangutang to sa iyo tapos papangakuan ka ng sa katapusan, dahil or kuya, mamaya katapusan ng mundo lang sinasabi nito, hindi katapusan ng buwan, no? Kaya kailangan i-clear out mo, nagkakaroon sa something indecision dito kasi hindi mo alam, no? Parang nagkakaroon ka ng gut feeling na parang or lakas ng kaba o kutob na itong tao na to, hindi totoo. No? Parang ganon. And because let's see what is the Seven of Cups and because the Four of Wands. Represent the Five of Swords. Na nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage at because of your action. Kaya kailangan, kung alam mo naguguluhan ka, kailangan mo maging kalmado para hindi ka magkamali. No? The King of Swords and the King of Cups and because the Six of Swords represent what? The Hierophant. So this is something, an education, a lesson learned, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo nang matuto or something, a religious factor, guys, no? And of course, the Hierophant represent the separation. Oh, I told you, no? Kumbaga nagkaroon kayo ng something a long distance relationship or something a long distance, no? Kumbaga nagkalayo kayo dahil naghiwalay kayo or nagkalayo kayo talaga dahil naghiwalay kayo pa dahilan ng gayuma, no? Or meron ditong sumapaw, no? Or meron nanira, ganon. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Strength card. Lakasan mo ang loob mo, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. And the Death card is an ending and a new beginning. Tapusin mo na, no? Solusyonan mo na. Magkakaroon ng bagong simula at transformation dito na magaganap. No? And of course, let's see what is the additional messages. So this is the career. This is the Three of Cups with additional messages for third party. See, I told you, may third party talaga dito. Okay, let's see what is additional messages about sa career. So, there's a Ten of Swords, no? Backstab, sabotage, I told you. Pagdating sa career mo, pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, may traidor, no? This is a Ten of Wands, so something burden, no? Talagang inipit ka sa situation, no? Or something, a responsibility or obligation. Okay, iniwanan ka ng obligasyon, or kumbaga ginawan ka ng hindi magandang sitwasyon, no? Parang inipit ka, iniwanan ka ng utang, or binaong ka sa utang, or either may nag-garantor sa'yo, or ginarantoran mo, no? Naiwanan ka ng utang, gano'n. Maaring, kumbaga, binaksabar, sabotage ka dito. Additional messages about naman sa love life. Sa love life, there's a Two of Pentacles, so there's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance, ha? Kailangan there's a give and take, hindi pwedeng give lang ng give, hindi pwedeng take lang ng take. At the same time, there's a something a Five of Wands, so something a complication or competitor. So, see, I told you, may third party talaga dito. May komplikasyon or kakompetensya ka dito pagdating sa love life, no? Pagdating, it's either toxic family, a toxic friend, or there's a toxic, an ex, or something, a toxic, relative or friends, ganon. Additional messages about sa health. A health mo naman, there's a Page of Wands, may good news, and because the Hangman, lutang ka. Sabi ko na, may gayumay. There's an involvement by gayuma, kasi lutang ka, Connected kayo na person mo. No? Kumaga, balisa ka, hindi ka mapakali, no? So, let's see additional messages dito with the magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, so there's an everything is okay, no? Don't worry, it all in working out in a beautiful way. So may magandang dahilan daw yan, ha? Kaya nangyayari yan. There's a birthday. Oh, kaya pala there's a something celebration. May birthday na darating, ha? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay o katanungan mo ay maaaring masagot ngayong birthday na to. Kanino bang birthday itong pupuntahan mo? O maaaring birthday na person mo. So let's see. What is additional messages for yin and yang oracle card? For yin and yang oracle card, represent what? Healing. Kailangan mo ng healing session dito, guys, ha? And there's an information with a transformation. Unti-unti ka na mag-transform para maliliwanagan ka na, no? And there's a home family commitment. May kinalaman talaga sa family. Ito, ha, sinira yung pamilya mo, no? Parang nagkaroon ng ganong eksena, no? Nagkaroon ng inside job or something like that. And there's a node by life purpose. Ito yung purpose mo sa buhay, no? Ang matuklasan kung ano yung kaganapan sa buhay mo na nakasira, no? At naging komplikasyon. Additional messages. Additional messages from the angel spirit. And there's a root, no? May ugat talagang eksena na to. No, may pinanggagalingan. There's a ready. Maganda ka. May laban kang paglalabanan dito. And there is a brother. Oh, ibig sabihin may kinalaman daw to sa brother-in-law mo. Or either your brother. No? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Archangel Michael messages, or you are on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka, ha? Kumbaga, nalaman mo na, natuklasan mo na, and your home is protected by angels, no? Protektado naman ang iyong tahanan. And sense of humor, no? Kailangan tingnan may lighter side of situation. Ganon. Additional messages for chakra. And there's abundance. So, kasaganahan talaga. And there's a grief. Something losses, no? It's it's like an opportunity to learn, no? Yung mga bagay na nawawala sa'yo, huwag ka mag-alala. Kumaga, oportunidad yan, kaya siguro nawala yan, inalis siya sa buhay mo, kasi may dahilan. Diba? Additional messages with the angels answer. And there's a yes, no? Kumaga, tama at oo, no? Sagot dyan. In the near future, no? Oo daw, nalalapit na roon future mo. And there's something bit more information, no? Kailangan mo pa makakuha ng mga impormasyon. Additional messages. Loneliness. Hindi ka raw nag-iisa, ha? And there's a judgment, a wake of call, or something, pay attention, no? Kailangan mo ng kumilos, kailangan mo na solusyonan. Hambang hindi pa kinakain ng sistema, no? Hanggat kaya pang basagin ang ginawa sa inyong gayuma. For Monsology, take time to breathe out. So, kailangan mong pag-isipan, no? Huminga na malalim. And show the world the real you. Napakita sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. No? Palaban ka ba? Susuko ka na lang ba? No? For the energy, represent what? Caring connection. No, itong person mo masyado mapagmahal, no? Kaya nagtaka ka bakit bigla nagbago, eh, no? And there's a second chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. And of course, there's the thinking woman. Overthinking yung person mo. For romance angels, surface in white. For romance angels, give your relationship a chance. Na pagdating sa relasyon, kailangan mo ng chances daw na ulit ng, kumbaga bigyan mo raw ng chance ng pag-ibig, no? Or pagdating sa person mo. No, kasi wala siyang kamalay-malay, hindi niya alam yung nangyayari. And it's safe for you to love. No, the more na nagmamahal ka, the more na parang nagagawa mo lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo akalain kaya mong gawin. And there's something like, oh my God, may pagbabalikan talaga. Reconciliation, it means someone from your past is returning to your life. No, babalik. No, babalikan ka ng person mo, or babalik yung person mo, my God. And there is boundaries. So, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries, ha? additional messages. And there is an healing. See, I told you, there's an healing, and the full moon is an enjoy your life from the fullest. And there's a trust. So, kailangan mo magtiwala, ha? And there's a perseverance, no? Konting tiyaga lang, no? Tiyaga lang ng tiyaga. Additional messages for angel spirit. And this is a let go. Now, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan, bitawan. And there's a something artist, no? Ay, meron ditong artista, ha? Kasi parang itong tao na to talagang, nakakasama mo, nakakausap mo, kaya hindi mo akalain ito pala yung gagawa. And have faith. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating poong may kapal. No? Let's see what is additional messages. First, additional messages for angel spirit. And there's a earth pulsing for time to nature, no? Ibig sabihin, slow down. Dahan-dahan lang, no? Kailangan mo na unwind. Kailangan mo mag-isip. Additional messages for Jesus loving quotes. For Jesus loving quotes said, nothing shall be impossible to you, no? Pagdating sa iyo, wala daw imposible, ha? Lahat ng mga bagay-bagay ay posible. For angels number represent what? 10, for it's up to you. So, nasa sa'yo yan kung magdidesisyon ka or hindi, ha? Kung magtitake ka ng action or hindi. It's time to put those long cherished ideas into actions. You will come into an contact with the appropriate individual, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as a brand new opportunities. Trust in the process. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa proseso, ha? Ganun talaga pagdadaanan mo to, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo magtiyaga. Nasa sa'yo yan kung bibitaw ka o hindi. Messages of life, God sustain me. Sinasabi dito, as I turn each day over to God, may worries and may resistance of this, the arms of God, love, I find inner peace. Even in a challenging time, today, my faith provides me with a great strength. I welcome all the power. My way knowing that the love of God sustain me. So see, alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka pinababayaan ng ating Panginoon, no? Minsan nagkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, kawalan ng gana o parang nawawalan ka na ng tiwala sa nangyayari sa iyo. But sinasabi sa dito, manalig, manampalataya at kumapit ka sa taas dahil lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay bibigyang kasagutan ng ating Panginoon. So let's see. So maraming salamat. This is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasa gaffer. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!